When are you guys gonna save Daddy?
What about we just hug it out?
You are.
Yeah, shut up, honestly.
You're gonna, you know what? Next summer you're gonna be wearing your scrunchie.
You kidding me? Who said that you're allowed to be this freaking cute?
Bro, it's literally just, it's not a snake.
Here you go, Racky. I know how much you like wieners.
Winston?
Excuse me, please, we're poor. Please, we had to buy you food. Please, take this.
Winston!
Go, move.
Hey, Sam.
Pretended to pass out to see what my dog would do.
Just minding my own fucking business this morning. I don't know what his fucking problem is. Stop it. You need to fucking get over yourself, dude.
You love your friend, Louis? You love Louis? Okay, okay, I ask Louis. Louis, you love Nikki? Yes? Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck.
Daddy.
Shut up, mommy. Yes.
Mika.
Mika, tell Daddy. Shut up, Daddy.
No, daddy. Mom.
Tell him. Say, shut up, Daddy. Oh. You want it? No? That's not good enough for you? Fine. You want the whole chicken instead? No? What if I make it dance? Come on, you're a predator. You're supposed to kill it. Shake your groove thing, yeah, yeah. This is why these animals can't go to the wild. Because they're spoiled. Oh God, it touched you! It touched you! What are you gonna do? You gotta eat it! We have to. Hold on. You know, he...
A happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
I'm trying to sleep. Please, just calm down. What do you want? Come here. Come here. No?
Okay. There you go. Thank you. Come again. Okay, thank you. Come again.
Did you do this? Did you rip my flip-flop?
Look, your sister relaxed on the wall. You ducking and crouching. I think it was you. Look, I ain't even mad. Come here. It's okay, mama. It's okay. I ain't mad at you. It's okay. It's okay. That's my fault. I should have been took this out. It ain't on you. But you know better. You know better though, huh? Yeah. Yeah. I can tell. Y'all my kids.
Challenge: purposely drop your dog's leash and see their reaction.
Daddy's not home. Okay. Do you want mommy? Do you want mommy? What do you want? Misa, we played so much this morning. Look, all your toys are still on the floor. Play all done. Play all done. I have to work.
This is meant to be your sort of weather. You're meant to love this. No, you shake first. You shake first. Come on. Shake. Go on. Shake. Shake. Go on. Don't shake in here. Yeah.
Can you say LeBron James? Can you say Hakuna Matata? Can you say Loosey Goosey?